In the previous video, I just completed step number 4 for trading comps model, calculating multiple statistics. And now we are moving into step number 5, where I will interpret the output and select a valuation range by calculating how low and average values of multiples, comparing it with Coca-Cola, and taking enterprise value by LTM EBITDA as our sample multiple to come up with a valuation range for Coca-Cola. Let's do that. So I'm gonna fly to the cell E20 right here with the shortcut F5, function 5, go to window. I'm gonna put E20 in the window in the reference line, enter, and I'm here. Now I'm gonna find the high, low, and mean for each multiple. My formula for high will be max function, maximum value out of these 4 values. Enter. To find the lowest values, I'm gonna use min function, tab, and same idea, minimum value out of these 4 multiples for last 12 months of EV by sales, enter. And my mean would be an average formula in Excel. And again, I'm gonna take these 4 values to calculate the average. And for Coca-Cola, I'm gonna take the value in the cell E14. Beautiful, it's ready to go and be filled to the right. To highlight all the cells from the cell I'm in E23 to the cell P20 quickly, I'm going to use F5 function 5, go to window again, F5, and I'm going to input the cell P20 to which I want to highlight, P20, and then shift enter would highlight the whole range, and Control R to fill it all the way to the right. Perfect. We can see that Coca-Cola is along the lines with its peer groups in terms of multiples, and now we're going to calculate implied enterprise value based on the high, low, and mean of the multiples. We're going to take enterprise value divided by LTM EBITDA as a multiple as an example here. So EBITDA of Coca-Cola, I have this for the last 12 months. I'm going to pull it up from the cell H6. And then EV by LTM EBITDA, the max would be in the cell H20. The mean would be in the cell H21. And average or mean would be in the cell H22. Beautiful. Now let's calculate implied enterprise value by multiplying my multiples by EBITDA of Coca-Cola. I want to anchor the cell F26 so I can fill it to the right, F4. Beautiful, complete anchoring. Shift right arrow, F2 function 2, Control Enter to fill the formula. And we can see that the valuation range for Coca-Cola based on this calculation would be from $204 billion to $307 billion. Great job.